subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Nokia has launched its new clamshell design phone globally called Nokia 2780 Flip. Now talking about the specifications. The Nokia 2780 Flip features a 2.7-inch QVG resolution display, and it also has 1.77-inch secondary display on the top that shows the time and notifications. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 512MB internal storage that is further expandable up to 32GB microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Nokia 2780 Flip supports a single 5MP camera on the rear with LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The device packs with 1450 mAh removable battery and it runs on KaiOS 3.1 skin on top. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 202.1 by 58 by 11.5mm and it weighs around 131.2 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the Nokia 2780 Flip phone. The Nokia 2780 Flip has been priced at $90 and it is listed to be available from November 17 in blue and red color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia 2780 Flip phone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.